You get your mouse? You get your mouse from Georgia, have you? Is that what you're playing with, the mouse from Georgia? Hi, Connor. Oh, she loves that mouse, don't you? You love your mouse? Yes, you do. Anyway, we had another storm last night. See where the deer were digging looking for apples? There's none there. But I have to go do the driveway first. I just did the decks. I gotta snow blow the driveway and then we'll put more apples out. No raccoons last night. As you can see, look, there's no tracks. So they weren't out at all. What do you want? I didn't ask for you to come up here. Toilet paper man. You're the cause of the toilet paper shortage, aren't you? Huh? Are you the cause of the shortage? Connor, I'll take you up to Walmart and let you loose. How's that? What'd you do with your mouse? Where is it? Don's still out there plowing. Oh, he's coming in my yard now. Okay. There he goes. Yeah, there he goes. I'm gonna get me one of those for next year. He's good at it. Boy, that snow's heavy too. Yeah. I just gotta go out with the snow blower and clean up after. Just the walkway and stuff. Anyway, and it's what, almost 10 degrees out here. I got the decks all done. Get the bird feeders out. Here he comes. Boy, that stuff's heavy. You were going with that thing. Yeah. Just as long as you got a place opened up for me to get the car out, that's all I need. Yeah. I'll just take the snowblower out, clean up around the, make a spot for my the walkway got to be done with the snowblower, and I got to do around where the car is. My God, that snow's heavy, just like it was yesterday. Yeah. Here he comes. Oh, he's doing around the... Good. You get the mailbox done. I'll tell you a little bit about Donnie. He likes Toronto Maple Leafs, but I won't hold that against him. He makes fun of me with the Boston Bruins all the time. Yeah. Yeah, that's an old machine too, and he kept it in good shape. Yeah. Anyway, I'll let him finish that. I'm going to go get the snowblower out. Yeah. He's doing a good job. Anyway, I'll leave him to it. I'll get the blower out.